So I've been gone for a minute, but I am back with another video. We'll be making an eggnog cheesecake today. You know we had an election. This fool still think he the president for next year. But anyway, I digress. Then the corona cases started going up. But you know, my nerves are not too hot. But I'm back to give you this video, to give you this recipe. Everything will be listed below. It's the season for giving and receiving, not corona, so be careful with that. So watch the video. Everything is so simple, so easy. Just make sure you follow all directions and you have a bomb cheesecake. Satisfied with how this looks, this goes into the oven for 10 minutes at 325, and then I lower the temperature to 300 to bake the cheesecake. So in the mixer, I have the cream cheese, the flour, and the sugar, and I'm gonna, make it mix, and then I start to incorporate the eggnog, the eggs, and the eggs is last because you don't want to whip it too much. All right, so just keep watching. So the eggnog mixture that I had regular eggnog and the eggnog that you buy at the liquor store around these times, the seasonal stuff. If you want to omit the alcohol, that's up to you. However, I'm going to let you know right now, that alcohol give it a nice little punch. And at this time, with all the things that we going through, y'all shouldn't have no problem giving your eggnog a little extra kick.
Ryan Little.
See, the foil paper is wrapped around the pan. Make sure it's wrapped tightly because I'm going to put it in a water bath, and you don't want your water to seep in through this pan. And then when this bake, make sure that the center could be a little jiggly but not wet, but all the outside has to be very firm. So when you finish baking, you turn, and it's baked because nobody want no raw cheesecake. Then you leave it into the oven for 30 minutes. And then after that 30 minutes, then you crack the oven door and then leave it out there for another 30 minutes. And then you take it out, you let it cool, and you put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then the next day you could decorate it how you want it. If you want to eat it just like that without the whipped cream. But I was feeling a little extra, so that's why. And let me tell you something, my nerves is real bad when I was trying to get this open. But everything worked out, okay? So just follow the instructions. Yes, I was feeling this whipped cream. It was so good. Whatever leftover I had, I put that on top of some coffee. And let me tell you something, Starbucks who? It was really tasty. So I wouldn't omit the topping. I think you go for it. It's 2020. The way things are going on, you need to treat yourself every chance you get. That is it, folks. That's it. Very easy to make, very tasty. Like, subscribe, share this video. And I hope when you do the recipe, you tag me on my social media, Instagram, Dream Delights. Keep safe out here. Thanks for watching.